Hi guys, welcome back. Getting boy, I'm tired. Getting the arena where we're going to drive all our horses. Coming along pretty good. Let me show you. Be able to drive in here. We got the crossbars done. We got more chain link come in, and over here we started straightening up everything, leveling up everything. You can see in through here, all here, and through here. So I put them up at 6 feet, and the reason I did that was horses like to lean over, and it's cheaper for me to run chain link, but the problem is horses will lean on it and tear it up pretty good. So if you put it a little higher, they're less likely to lean on it. So we're going to go over here and take a look at this round pen. What we want to do is get lights in here, get all of this sand in there, and get some big posts up, but the ground's very hard. Also want to turn this little cart into a horsing cart, so that'll be another project coming up pretty quick. We're going to be working horses in the morning, and I got my little $120 two-step. That's what they charge you. So I had 2x6s lying around, so that's what I put together here. So we'll do that in the morning and start teaching horses how to come up to it and let us get on and off. Alright, so let's jump on that backhoe. Let's see if we can get a hole dug here. So guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. On that, to move this channel along, we have 94% of the people that come back on the channel, which is thousands, and they're like dozy holes. They forget to subscribe. So 93 or 94% not even subscribe. So we don't get nowhere. So please don't forget. Anyhow, let me get this backhoe going. Oh boy, tired. Got some more chain link. Well, that's good. Let's score this ground. Okay, I kind of marked it out right there where I want to put this. So what I want to do is put this post in, but what I want to also do is make a gate so I can teach the horses that are young horses to what do you call it, open and close gates. So what we don't want to do is tear the whole ground up, so let's just tip this up, bring it forward, push it down. I don't want to take a big old score out of it. See, I just want to make it where the guy can get the tip of that auger over there down enough that the auger will grab. So that's what I'm looking to do. So let's see here. think that might just work. And what we'll do also is, okay, that might be more than enough. I think I'm just overdoing it now. Alright, let's jump on this other tractor. Boy, doing all of this stuff by yourself, what a blessing to have these tractors. Man, I'd be lost without them. Alright. I got some tires over here that I brought in. I also, on this other side of the ranch down there, I cleared up a whole bunch of stuff so we can start driving our horses and riding our horses out there. That won't feel too good on my tires. Okay. We'll probably have to come back. Remember I was talking about putting the buckets of water. I don't have any hose over here in this area. Closest is over by the arena. I guess I could run a hose. But you see how the sand kind of falls in on itself? So what we do is come back and soak these holes and then re-auger them out, and they'll come out nice and clear with no problem. The other thing you want to do is when you go down is you let it drop down and switch it off when it gets down real low. Let me see if you can still see what I'm doing. So I'll bring it down. Okay, hang on. See how I switched it off now? So now I'll accelerate and pick it up. See all that dirt that came out with it? Now I'll switch it on and it kicks it out and away from the hole. You see how the hole is doing? It's a lot better than it was a few minutes ago. So we'll drop that and see if we can do that again. Okay, we're going down, 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 and a little more. Alright, pull that sucker out. Hope you can see what's going on. Accelerate, then switch it on. And it kicks the dirt out. Now you can already see I'm getting some depth on that. So that's pretty cool. Alright guys, appreciate you subscribing and doing all of that and moving things along. Got my two-step going. Looking forward to getting the saddle on this horse in the morning. Maybe even get a ride on it and teach you to come up to that. And we'll start the process of letting us mount off of it. Alright, I'm out for now. I'm cold. It's drizzling. And I'm out. Tired and dingy. Have a great night.